If you arrived to this video, it's because you want to connect your TikTok ads data to Claude. By the end of this video, you will find out two automated options to connect your account data to Claude. The first and fastest option is by using the Porter Metrics MCP. This will allow you to connect more than 20 marketing data platforms to Claude so you can run cross-channel analysis. To do so, you just need to go into portermetrics.com. You create your account or log in. Don't worry, we have a free forever plan. Then you click on create, you select Claude, and as soon as you do that, you will land in this page. Here you will click in go to Claude, and this will redirect you to this Claude window where you can set up your custom connector. You can go back to Porter and copy the name and paste it in the custom connector window of Claude. And the same with the remote MCP server URL. You go back to Porter Metrics, you copy the URL, and then you paste it inside Claude. Then you click on add, and as soon as you do that, you will see us as a connector inside your Claude. After this, you can create a new chat with Claude. Then you click on the plus button, you select connectors, and you will see the Porter Metrics connector there. Make sure that it is on so you can access any account that you have connected. Remember that with Porter Metrics, you can connect different marketing data platforms so that way you can run cross-channel questions. Now that we're connected, you can prompt, I want to connect my TikTok ads account to Claude via the Porter Metrics. Claude will answer you with a link so you can authorize your TikTok ads connection to Porter Metrics. You click on it, then you click open link, and you will land this page. Here you click on add a new TikTok account, and finally you will have to log in into your TikTok ads account. And after that, you just need to go back to Claude and you can start using the Porter Metrics MCP to bring your TikTok ads data. For example, the prompt that I gave Claude was this: create a performance report of my TikTok ads account V. I want to be able to identify spend, impressions, clicks, number of campaigns running, creative fatigue, frequency, and ROAS. And after a few minutes, I was able to create this dashboard using the Porter Metrics MCP inside Claude. So as you can see, there are some scorecards at the top with the spend, impression, clicks, reach, frequency, CPM, ROAS. And if I scroll down a little bit, Claude did an analysis around the creative fatigue of each TikTok ad that I'm running right now. The second option is by using the Google BigQuery MCP. To do so, first you need to send all your marketing data information into Google BigQuery, and then by using the Google BigQuery MCP, you can access to that table so Claude can run the SQL and help you with any analysis that you have. We already did a video on how you can send your marketing data information to BigQuery. I suggest you go and check it out. Now that you have connected your account to Claude, you can run reports, create dashboards, optimize your campaigns, and many more stuff. I hope this video was useful. Subscribe and see you in the next one.